Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue learning AutoCAD, and today we are going to learn about the features of AutoCAD. And we'll look at this bottom bar up to this section for today. So we'll start with the first feature, which is model. What is function of model? So model is the main drawing area where you create your design. So this section, this dark section, is what is known as the model. So it's this section that we always create our drawing. It's called the model space. We move to the next. We have the layout 1, layout 2, layout 3, layout 4, maybe layout 5, depending on whichever you want to draw. So these layouts are always used for printing. So whenever you've drawn something, and you want to print it, you click on layout, and that drawing will appear here. So maybe okay, let me go back to model, and then maybe layout 5. So here is our drawing. So when you want to print, now you can proceed on and print that. So layouts is always used for printing our work. So whenever you finished drawing, you can print using the layouts. We have this section here. This one is known as a command line, and the command line in AutoCAD is our powerful input area where you can type commands. So you can type literally anything, and that command will appear on your model space. So for example, you can type units, and you will see units appearing here. So you can edit whichever you want. You edit, then you okay. You can type line, enter. So line, you can be able to draw that line. So literally that's the function of command. This model and this grid, this one, you can see when you put it on, you can see some small squares found inside here. Then you can turn it off. So you also have ortho on this other side. What is the function of ortho? So ortho always restricts cursor movements to only horizontal and vertical direction. So when you want to draw pick construction line, you can be able to draw only those lines in vertical or horizontal direction. It's always useful to for drawing straight lines. You can use it to draw straight lines. So we go to another object here known as the OSNAP. We have OSNAP somewhere here. We have object snap or OSNAP. What is the function of that? The function of it helps you to snap precisely, or to specify specific points on existing geometry, such as maybe end points, midpoint of something. So whenever you pick a circle, you want to draw a circle, so you'll see it has some specifications. For example, that one is midpoint. You also have that one as our end point. You have that one as our perpendicular. So all these are the object snap. So those are the object snap of that object. So it improves drawings accuracy by aligning to the exact points that you want. So it will always align to the exact points. So that is OSNAP, or the object snap. Again, we have polar tracking. Polar tracking here. Maybe there's polar tracking. Anyway, polar tracking here. Yeah. Sorry, it's here. So the function of always polar tracking is to allow more flexible angular drawing. then auto mode, so it helps in creating lines at set of angles. So that's it, that's polar tracking. You can move. We have ISO draft here. So what's the function of ISO draft? So it is used to create 2D drawings that simulate 3D objects using isometric projection. You can use it to draw maybe ISO circles and so forth. So that's it. That is ISO. The ISO draft. So you can move. This is for scale. Then you can look at the workspace switching. So it lets us to maybe change between different workspace layout. For example, when you click here, you can have drafting and annotation, 3D basics, all this. So you can select different work spaces. For us, we will be using 3D modeling because it will assist us in many ways. Okay, so let's move. We have the annotate monitor here. What is the function of that? It alerts you when annotations. So yeah, it also assists us to maintain accuracy of annotation in modified drawing. So that's the function of that. Let's move again to isolate objects. Isolate objects. So what's the function of this? So it will always temporarily hide objects except the selected ones. So you can hide a certain object, you can click on that, then you hide that object. So later on you can end object isolation. So you can hide, then later on you can remove it from that section, that hidden section. Then that's we talked about the annotate monitor. Then we have the clean screen. So it always hides most toolbars. So it can hide the toolbars. So you click on that, you'll see that all the toolbars are hidden. So you click on that to bring them back. So that is, it provides you a clean screen. Naturally provides you a clean screen. Then we go to the last one, which is customization. The function of that also, it allows you to customize menus, toolbar, shortcuts. So when you click on that, you can be able to add one of them here in this section. If you click here, you'll see it has added in this section. So when you add another units, so it will bring it here. You can see decimal has been added. So maybe you can remove them. You don't need by now, you remove that or remove anything that is not needed. So thank you, and continue subscribing to my channel for more AutoCAD lessons. Thank you.